What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we've got something that I've been wanting to check out for quite some time. And today we've got ourselves a bag full of Amazon Dash buttons. Now, they cost $4.99, and the first time you use it, that money actually goes back into your Amazon account, so it's free, really. You sync them up to your home Wi-Fi, and once you sync them up, you go onto your account and you tell it what you want to order. In this case, I've got Red Bull. They have options like, okay, maybe I want a 4-pack or a 24 case. Once you sync it up and you tell Amazon what you want it to do, when you run low, you hit the button and through your Wi-Fi, it just immediately puts in the order on Amazon to get that product. What I've got today is Red Bull, Gain, Dial, Cat Litter, Angel Soft, and Brawny. This is my first time actually using them, so let's just see how it goes. Oh man, that is so cool looking. That little tiny thing. Inside the little instructions, select the menu. When you go to Amazon, it actually shows you your account, select set up a new device, and then you select which product you want to be assigned to this button. So on the back, it's got this sticky, so you can conveniently stick it up maybe in a cabinet or something like that. Maybe you have a cabinet where you keep your chips. Hey, my favorite chips aren't there. Let me hit the button and immediately puts in an order, which is really cool. This little plastic thing, you can take it off, or you can actually find a place and hang it. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna open up all these. Now, I believe you can also do the same thing through the web browser, but I'm gonna go ahead and just follow the instructions. Dash devices right there, set up new device. Dash button. Have your Wi-Fi password ready. Press and hold your dash button for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, blue light's on. Okay, so now that I've actually connected it to my Wi-Fi, now I can actually go and say what I want that dash button to be for. 12 full ounce. I don't want 12 ounces. I want smaller ones. I don't want blue, I want regular. See more. It doesn't have the regular on there? Is that for real? Well, I don't want those. Okay, I'm pulling out the laptop. For some reason, it doesn't have regular Red Bull on there. I like regular Red Bull. I don't want none of this other weird stuff. Okay, well, that explains it. Okay, so you can do it on there as well, but unfortunately, they don't have the Red Bull that I'm looking for. So, I'm gonna hold off until they do. Maybe I'll give them a call. All right, let's try the other one. Okay, so I found the Brawny. It only has one available, so it's a 16 count, so I guess I'm gonna have paper towels for quite some time. Your dash button is ready. Keep it near the product. In reorders, da-da-da-da-da. Press your dash button. Okay, so now if we want to, we can go ahead and push it. Now I'm gonna set up all these real quick, and then I'm gonna push them all, and then we'll sit here and wait until we get everything. Now what I'm gonna do, now that everything is set up, I'm gonna go through, hit every single one of these, and hopefully I'll get a notification on my phone saying that I put an order in. If I don't get the notification, I'll just check. Hit the button, it's flashing white. And now it's green. So they all went green. How awesome. Awesome. Okay, so now let's check our orders. Bam, look at that. So I got my Brawny, my Dial, my Cat Litter, my Gain, and my Ultra Soft. Awesome. Unfortunately, no Red Bull. I'll have to go to the store and get that myself. So now all I really gotta do is just wait. So... thanks, Matt. I appreciate it. Now, it took a few days for everything to show up, but it worked really well. You saw that as soon as I hit the button, my Amazon account showed that it placed an order, which was awesome. Now, I totally forgot that I actually ordered a Dunkin' Donuts K-Cup coffee thing. And so that came in, so that's something I'm gonna do as well. There we go, it actually works really well. So this is gonna be really cool. Now, because I chose bulk orders, I'm not gonna have to do this very often. So what I'm gonna do is I'll set these off somewhere specific probably just together, and whenever we run low on something, hit the button, place the order, sit back and wait. I got everything that I needed, which is great. There's a huge list of these dash buttons that you can get for all kinds of products, tons of products. Just make sure that you don't do what I did and get like what I did with the Red Bull. I ordered it thinking, oh yeah, no, I like Red Bull. They didn't actually have the one that I was looking for in the first place. So just make sure that if you are gonna get one of these, look to see what it is compatible with, you know, in ordering products. Now, from what I understand, the only products that you can actually choose for the dash buttons is Prime products fulfilled by Amazon themselves. If you're a consumer of things like toilet paper and paper towel and soap, you know, definitely check it out. You're not gonna lose out on any money. If anything, you're gonna save money, because a lot of times I've noticed going through Amazon, I save a ton of money versus going to like a retail store. Now, of course, the downside is you're not gonna have that thing right then and there, but if, you know, you're shopping for stuff that you don't actually have to have that very second, it's a great idea, and you're gonna save money. And they cost nothing. Literally, they cost nothing, because the $5 that you pay to actually have one of these ordered to you gets refunded right back into your account as soon as you use it. So you can see right here, it says $4.99 credit after first press to place an order. So it's almost as if it's like a free service. Very nice, I like that. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below for the huge list of dash buttons that you can choose from. Definitely go check it out. But yeah, I'll leave the link down below, so go check it out for yourself. But as for now, get out of here.